Hey, this is Rosa, rcgkreations. How you doing? Breaking into a dinner menu. Something new for me. Kind of, sort of new. I've heard about it, I've seen it, I've eaten it. I never made it. You get a block of cream cheese. Make sure it's thawed out. Which, see how squishy mine is thawed out. Get your crock pot on. Put it on high. Dump it. My regular subscribers know me. I'm so cheap and frugal. And I want something done yesterday. I'm going to go get my knife. I'm going to scrape this cream cheese off. When the cream cheese melts, we're going to go to the next phase. So I'll bring you back when we get to that part. And every crock pot's different. And also, you know, not everybody gets it all totally thawed out before they put it in. So once it's totally thawed out, I'm going to get a spoon and you want to crumble it all up. Let me bring you down here. See that? Because mine was definitely, I had it at room temperature for quite a while. So it's all ready to roll. Okay. Let me pause you. I forgot to bring my next ingredient. I'm doing this as a surprise, bit by bit by bit. Okay, we're back. Next, we're going to add a cream of chicken soup. Make sure I'm in frame. Well, that smells good. And this is an easy one-pot meal that, other than this little prepping that I'm doing right now, you're done and you get ready to eat and serve and you're set. And you know me, my regular subscribers know, I'm going to scrape the bottom of the can because I can. I'm being silly today. But you know what? If you can't laugh with yourself, about yourself, what more is there, right? Now you're going to like a little bit of yuckies. You've got to stir this all up. Trying to get warm. Don't add no water. Don't add no broth. Cream cheese. A can of chicken soup. Mine's cream of chicken soup. But you don't want the chicken noodle soup. You want chicken soup. Now I'm just going to smooth it all out so it's got one even layer all the way around. I'm going to scrape my spoon so all the goodiness stays in the crock pot. Okay, I think we're about done. I think I've scraped it as much as I can scrape it, which I'm good to go with that. And I'm using my box to put my spoon in so I don't have to worry about getting my counter dirty, because if I get it dirty, I gotta clean it up. That's been more work for me. I don't want to do that. Hubby prepped my chicken for me. We were going to make a different dinner yesterday, but the menu called for, and I'll do another video on that one, because I was so pressed for time yesterday, I didn't have time to record. So we used some of my pressure can chicken for that. But you could do that with this too, and that would be done in an hour. So he went ahead and got all the fat off my chicken. We've got chicken thighs, chicken breast. Make sure there's no bone in it. And you want to lay it down right on top. You don't want to sink it in there, you just want to lay it on top. And you can put as much or as little as you want. Totally up to you. Try to only get 2 fingers yucky. Put your lid on your crock pot. Oop. It's on high. Walk away for 4 hours. And we're going to bring you back. I forgot to show you. This is what it looks like. Okay. See how it just lays right on top? Close the lid. Walk away. Come back in 4 hours. We'll bring you back when we get to that next phase, okay? Alrighty, we are back. Hubby made pasta. These are these, what do you call these things? He don't know. These little tubey pasta things. And then let me bring you, this is what the meal in the crock pot looks like. Oops, so make sure you're in focus. Okay, you are. And of course I stirred it a couple of times. But look how liquidy it is. Oops. You're not totally in frame there. See how liquidy it got? So it's going to make a lot of gravy. So this would be good if you have it over rice. But the biggest thing is the taste test. Add a little bit of the drippings. Could have put mushrooms, but I don't like mushrooms. Hubby does. I do not. I don't want a big chunk of chicken. I just want a little chunk of chicken. Of course, you can always just break it apart and pull it while it's in the crock pot. And plug it so it can cool down. Oh, quick tip for those who didn't know. I just found this out. Once you've taken all the food out, put water, leave it in here. Add water to it. Turn it on low for like 20 to 30 minutes, and that bakes off all that crusty stuff. So it's really easy to wash. Okay, so let's bring you up here. Let's do the taste test. I want to get some of the sauce, some chicken. Hubby's waiting for dinner. He's laughing at me. He don't want me. You want me in the video, honey? He said no. Creamy. You could taste the, of course, the chicken soup, the cream cheese. It's really, really. This is a definite win-win. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.